So now let's see how we can go ahead and change around the style of text that we have inside of Google Vids. So to do that, first I'm going to go around onto text and then add a type of the text right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in keep on learning right here, just like this. Let me just make the L capital right here, and this is what you have. I can click and drag and place it wherever I want. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and select out, let's say, the text that I want to change, and then what I can do is I can change a different font for it to change the outlook. So I can go around over here and you can see that there's different sort of fonts right here that I can choose. For keep on as well, let me just select it and choose this font right here, and you got this particular option, as you can see right here, keep on learning. So now, apart from that, you can also go ahead and then change around the color. Let's say, for example, for learning, I'm going to go ahead and choose red right here, just like this. Then what you can also do is, let's say, for example, bold it out right here. So you can bold it, you can italicize it, you can underline it out, as you can see right here, just like this as well, and change the outlook of the text. So you can see that I can go ahead, bold it out, you can italicize it out and underline it out according to how you like as well. So this is what you have right here. And apart from that, you can see that the text is actually aligned onto the left right now. So that is because this is aligned to the left. You can go ahead and center align it right here. You can go ahead and right align it, or justify it out as well, which actually pushes out the letters right here. So for paragraphs, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and insert a body text, and I'm going to go around and say, this is a sample paragraph right here, paragraph, just like this. And then I can go ahead and then paste this out, let's say, for example, and then go around, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So I can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, keep it in one line right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, just like this, then you can see that this is actually left aligned right now. So the space that this takes and this takes is not equal. So you can go around and justify it so that the spaces are added in between for a much more balanced look, as you can see right here, just like this. So, but for this one, let me just left align it out as right here. So apart from that, you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the alignment that you have. And apart from that, you can also go around and then center align it or bottom align it, as you can see right here. There's only a text box right here. So that is why the alignment is not showing up much. So this is how you can go ahead and then style out text as you need and work around with fonts, colors, bold, and alignment inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.